Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we've got our Honda key fob, and that's this guy right here. And these things now, they're like a keyless key fob, right? So they actually do have a hidden key, and I'll show you the hidden key in a second. But what happens is when your battery is going low, there'll be an error message on your dash, and it'll say, oh, you know, your key fob battery's low. And if you're having a problem starting your car, your red start button, you can actually take your key fob and bring your key fob right up to the button and touch your button and start it that way. It'll start when it's really close to it. Okay, so that'll get you out of a bind at first. Now, to take these off, they're super simple. A lot of people don't know, and I've seen people like wrestling and stuff with these. On the very back, here, let's get up real close. There is this little thing right here, and if you have good eyesight or a good pair of glasses, it has an arrow on it. So you press that, right? So you slide it, and then you can lift your key right out. It's that simple. So then you have, this is your key, right? This will get you in your door. So if your key fob, the battery dies, this will get you in the door. And like I say, once you're inside, you put this back together, press it up against your start button, and that'll start your car. But don't leave this in the car, because if the doors lock, it doesn't recognize that this fob's in there, and then you're screwed, right? So take your keys with you. Anyway, so to get the battery out, it takes like a CR2032 battery. So like the standard sort of watch battery, these are the batteries that are in virtually everything now. So anyway, so what you do is you take your fob like this, you put your key in it, and you twist, in the middle. So in between, like right in the center, put your key in, right in the center, okay? So you see those two little reinforced bits right in the middle. Okay, you're gonna put your key right in there and put it in firmly, and then twist, and it'll just snap apart. And once you snap it apart, then you'll see this side's got nothing going on, and this side's got your chip, and it's got your battery. So what you're gonna do is pop your battery out, and that is got like little clips that hold it on there. And so, little clips are stronger down at the bottom, and these ones here are the ones that move up here. So that's where I'm going to pop it off from this point. Oh, it's tough, eh? Tough stuff. I may need a screwdriver for that. Oh, I'm lifting the whole thing up. Okay, so hold on to it firmly with your fingers, and I'm going to get a screwdriver, a small one. And put the screwdriver in at the top. And gently pry that out. Oh, there we go. So, that's it. You'll notice the labeling is on the back. So that's the part that you see. So when you put your new one in, that's the part that you want to see, is the label that you can read. So I'm going to cut this open, and the packaging is fantastic on these. Okay, cut it open again. Okay, the hardest part of this job is to get the battery out of the packaging. Who knew? All right. You gotta cut it right up by the battery. Wow. Okay. On the back of the battery, there's like a little safety thing. You gotta peel that off. Okay. And put it in. So, once again, start it from the top, slide it down, and then press it in, and it'll lock in. Take the back of your key fob, Just put it together. It'll snap together. Alright. So, what I found the easiest method was to line it up at the bottom and then squeeze it all the way up. And snap it in. Don't forget to put your key back in. Make sure it's clean. And then you're good to go. You've got a new battery. So, super simple. Anyway, thanks for watching.